Once training requirements have been identified using needs analysis, training objectives and priorities can be established by a gap analysis, which indicates the distance between where an organization is with its employee capabilities and where it needs to be. To close the gap, training objectives and priorities are determined. There are two basic elements of creating learning objectives. First, identifying after-training behaviors, and second, developing appropriately stated objectives. Three possible forces for training objectives can be knowledge, skill, and attitude. Knowledge is about imparting cognitive information and details to trainees, like understanding how a new product works. Skill is about developing behavioral changes in how jobs and various task requirements are performed, like improving speed on an installation. And finally, attitude is about creating interest in and awareness of the importance of something, like sexual harassment training. The success of training should be measured in terms of the objectives that were set before it took place. When creating learning objectives, it's helpful to start at the end by specifying what the learner should be able to do after completing the training. This type of thinking guides the design and development of the training. Another key consideration is that useful objectives are measurable. For example, an objective that a new sales clerk might be able to demonstrate the ability to explain the function of each product in the department within 2 weeks. This objective is specific and can be evaluated by the trainer or the employee's supervisor. Most organizations do not have an unlimited amount of valuable resources such as time and money. Training competes for other HR and non-HR programs to secure financial and time support from the organization's leadership. Since training is seldom an unlimited budget item, and because organizations have multiple training needs, prioritization is necessary. Ideally, management looks at training needs in relation to its strategic plans as part of the organization's change process. Then, training needs can be prioritized on the basis of objectives. Conducting the training most needed to improve organizational performance will produce visible results more quickly.